Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Thursday, the 30th of May 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always, our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. I do urge you please to check out the description of this video for the link for the Telegram room. At times when there are important updates, we are going to deliver it to you through the Telegram. Also, I do urge you to watch our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our core analysis as usual after a quick recap. On the last trading session of Wednesday, we have been waiting for important economic data to be released from the European Union, from France, and from Germany. From France, we've been waiting for the GDP and the CPI, both came below forecast, and from Germany, the unemployment change and employment rate both came below forecast, and the euro lost ground for the dollar. Also from the United States, we've been waiting for so many headers with low importance. The red book month to month and year to year came above forecast, and the rest all was below forecast. For the gold price action on the last trading session of Wednesday, gold started the day with some strength and lost ground then to and moved toward the level 1280. The level provided some support, and gold bounced back and stayed trading between 1281 toward 1280 for most of the time. Then it was attacked by the end of the session and pushed down toward 1280 and 1279 and a half. For the strategy recap, in our last episode we said that gold is in a neutral ground, and we advised to look for any short rally as a chance to enter the market as a seller. The fact that the gold did not give us that opportunity to sell above 1288, we did not benefit from the movement today. That's all. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Thursday, we will be waiting for very important economic headers, market movers to be released from the United States. We will be looking for the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims with low importance. The very important thing is the GDP quarter to quarter, the trade balance, and the pending home sales month to month for April. Those are market movers. Those are going to make a substantial move in the market. So this is what will be our concern, and we don't advise opening trades until this data is released. That's all. We'll move on now to the technical indicators. On the last trading session of Wednesday, we have had trading range from 1278 plus toward 1285 plus. The numbers are rounded and the market is still open. For the gold spot expected the close price, we do expect it to be around 1280. The market is still open. Gold is going, if it closed around 1280, it's a middle ground. Nobody has an upper hand. For the daily simple moving averages, it's for the 20 days 1283, for the 50 days 1288, and for the 100 days it's 1296, and for the 200 days it's 1260. We are below 20, 50, 100 days daily simple moving average and above the 200 days daily simple moving average. Nothing changed much. For the RSI readings, the RSI for the 1 hour is 41 bearish, and the RSI for the 4 hours is 43 bearish as well, and the RSI for the 1 day is 46 bullish. For the supports and resistance, the gold should find support around 1276, followed by 1270, then 1266 if broken, 1262 to 1260. For the resistance, 1285, followed by 1291, and then 1297 if taken, 1300. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Let's start with the good news. We are back, and we hope that technical difficulties we have been met with in the last week are no more existing. I will take the chance to introduce you to this idea. We are a new YouTube channel, that's true, but we've been there for more than 5 months so far. and some of you by now are friends more than subscribers. I do urge you please to promote this channel as if it's yours. Just imagine that with the time we become 5 to 10,000 active members. By that time, we will not be only just a regular YouTube channel, we will be more of a market player, and we at times can take advantage of the price movement and deploy and perform some trading strategies which will benefit us and make us make real money. Please think of it and work on it if you believe in the cause of the channel. One more thing that some of the members have raised the idea they wish to donate to the channel or to raise some funds for the channel for in order to enhance the content of the channel. We welcome this. If you do believe in the cause and the content of the channel, you can find the link for the donations in the description of the video. Thank you guys, and we will continue our regular video as usual. For the trading strategy, the trend is neutral and the price action is negative. We are above the 200 days daily simple moving average, and the US dollar is rising strong and challenging highs. Technically, gold is in a middle ground and nobody has an upper hand, either the bulls or the bears. The fact that the gold is still unable to capitalize on the safe haven demand in the market, and the attention is totally paid to the US dollar as a safe haven, gives us a bias to the downside. So we do expect, this is just an expectation, that gold might be heading down by the early trading hours before the data comes out. However, we are not going to take an action based on this, because tomorrow there is a substantial move, because tomorrow there's the release of the GDP, and whether if it's good or bad, okay, gold is going to respond this time. So the advice, based on all what we've said, if you are in short, hold and protect your position. If you are out, sell at highs around 1,297 if the data came in favor of gold, or buy at lows not less than 1,260 if data came in favor of the US dollar. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.